I'm a snacker. So this is for all my snackers. I'm a fan of kettle corn. I love me some kettle corn. And I love me the red bag PopCorners. I don't gatekeep because that's not what life is about. It's about paying it forward. So I'm paying it forward to my fellow snackers, my fellow foodies. Chef Menagerie Winter is letting you know that Aldi's has a PopCorner dupe. Okay? They have a little more seasoning, which I'm not mad at. And they have a bit more crunch, which I'm also not mad at. But they're still gluten-free, still kettle corn, and still good. PopCorner dupe. Aldi's has them.